Hey guys, what is going on? Andrew Murray here, and what I'm going to do is show you a little bit about the Sobeys app today. So basically in Atlantic Canada, there's two main grocery stores. There's the Atlantic Superstore and there's Sobeys, okay? And they both have their rewards. Now today is Tuesday. So on Wednesday, Sobeys comes out with their new offers, and the PC Optimum card comes out on Thursday. So basically, I have a folder called Loyalty Cards. This is where I keep all the digital cards that, so I don't need to have these in my wallet. And there's the Sobeys app. So if I'm going to Sobeys, I'm going to load the app and I'm going to click on My Offers. And these ones are already loaded, but you basically need to load these every week before you go to the grocery store. And then it will give you all those offers. So as you can see here, there's 1 day left, again, because it's Tuesday. And on Wednesday, the new offers come in. And you can see that you get 30 bonus miles for spending $100 or more in transactions. And they have, some of these different offers. Sometimes they actually have, percent save. So you get like 20% off. And this will happen automatically when they scan your AirMiles card because they have an integration with AirMiles. So it's important to load the offers. Generally speaking, we make most of our food from scratch. So I don't look too carefully at what these offers are because I don't buy a lot of packaged foods. So the redeemed offers, these are the ones that you've actually, gotten points for. So recently you can see, obviously I went shopping on 1/15, January 15th, and I got 7 bonus air miles for getting shrimp. I guess I got $2 off for shrimp, and I got 30 bonus miles because I spent $110 in a transaction. You'll also see the expired ones, the ones that I didn't, get. So they also have lists. You can do shopping lists here. I prefer to just do it on my reminders on my iPhone. I just keep it simple. And the reason I like that is because I don't necessarily just go to Sobeys or to Superstore. And sometimes I like getting stuff at Pete's Boutique, and so it doesn't really make sense to me. They do have the flyer here. Again, I don't really look too carefully at the flyer. I go with when I'm doing the shopping. I know what I want to get, and I go and get it. And mostly I stay on the outside of the aisles where the good food is, and then there's all these other things that you can do. But the most important thing is that you can actually load the offers. And it's important to load the offers every week. And I also have my AirMiles card here. And basically with the AirMiles, you can see that I've got $10 cash miles. I just use them for grocery because why not? I do other things for travel. They're going to ask me if I want to redeem the next time I go to Sobeys, right? So the really important thing is to understand is once you've linked your accounts, you just open the Sobeys app and you make sure that you've loaded your offers for the week, okay? If you don't load your offers, if I don't load this, for example, then I wouldn't get the 30 bonus air miles, which essentially is like, it's a third of the way to, 95 points is $10 off. So essentially it's like $3 off that order, right? So it makes sense to do, and it's pretty easy to do. The important thing is just remember, make sure you have your data on. So if you're in line at the grocery store and you forgot to do it, you can just quickly load it and you're good to go. Okay. Other than that, are other things in the app. There are recipes and all kinds of stuff that you can go in and look at. So that's how to use the Sobeys app. And I hope this video was helpful. And the next time you go to Sobeys, use the app and make sure that you're getting these extra points because it's really easy to do. And they're going to tend to give you offers based on stuff that you buy for future weeks. So it's a good deal. It doesn't take any extra time, and go out and use the app. All right, guys. Hope this video was helpful. We'll see you on the next one.